hello. Perfect. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Yo. Hello. Hi. What's going on, Sahad? EP. I've been cooked, bro. My sleeping pattern's mangled. Like, my sleeping pattern is fully mangled. Other than that, I'm okay. Apparently, there's loads of stuff happening in the war. Apparently, don't even. I'm just catching up on some of the news. There's a lot's been happening in it. I'm just trying to catch up. Wait. Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. Oh, did you watch the football? Yeah, Spain won. I was so happy. I was so happy. Kick the ass. Yeah, I was watching the whole thing, man. I was on it. I was on it. Yeah, because it had my sleeping patterns cooked, bro. So bad. Ugh. After this, I'm going straight back to sleep for 2-3 hours. Have a look at the charts then. What happened yesterday? I just need to kind of recap what the hell happened yesterday if there's an opportunity on. Was this? You had movement, man. So if we say there's the high, bounce off of midline, London Open, come take this low, first leg, no second leg created, second, no, nothing on the long side, and then took Asia high. Look at that high. Could have said first leg and then second leg. It kind of fell off with no pullbacks. There's nothing there on both sides. Usual stuff. And then you could have said price took this high here and this high here, fell down, took this level there, fell down, put that level there, first leg, second leg, didn't pull back to there, go back to where we were. It was a relatively good game, to be fair. They would have probably targeted this low. So that low there. That's an invalid zone, so they're waiting for failure of that zone. And there's too much shit I would have said around here. Yeah, nothing there. So nothing on EU there. Let's look at GU. London Open come down, took the low first leg, slow contraction, fat second leg, zero contraction there. Then you come up taking those highs. Then first leg. No volume though. I would not take that. I don't like the volume on there or anything. That's disgusting. So that's a no for me. New York session. Price took these highs. Loads of volume to the downside. Took then the highs. Loads of volume to the downside. Then took that high. First leg, second leg. Oh, GU actually gave an entry. Fuck's sake. Fuck. How valid was it? Or 2.1, 3.1, or about 3.3. And then break even would have been after that low B's taken. It would have been a long trade though, I think. So it would have hit TP2 and that's it. There would have been no TP3 on there. How long would it have taken to get? I think with this price action I would have been holding to about 17, 18. So probably about here I would have taken partials roughly 5.4, and then on the close of that candle most likely it would have been 5.4 and 10R, and then we would have got to 42 pips. I would have held for about 45 to be honest. So it would have been 5 point what? So it would have been about 5.4R and then 10.5. Oh fuck, that's annoying. That's me. Finally there was a trade. Finally there was a trade. I had a feeling that I would have missed something as well, but trust me, that's annoying. What was happening at the same time? So what time are we looking at? 3 p.m. Go back to yesterday, 3 p.m. Yeah, volumes coming in, prices falling. I wouldn't see an issue with that. Yeah, I wouldn't see an issue with that. Yeah, I would have been that. That's valid, bro. Shit. What about USD CAD? What about that? Is there anything on that? Had that lovely candle there. First leg, second leg, third leg. Yeah, just kept going. Then in New York session, equal highs. That low moved higher, took that zone, moved higher. Price took there. First leg, second leg. Probably tagged there, given a break even and tagged that level again. Then you could say it took all these lows, which is a bit more cleaner, by about almost a pip. First leg kind of valid, second leg, that's some news right there. 340. I think there's a lot of news, wasn't there, yesterday in New York session? I think Sahad, I don't know, I wasn't on the charts. Was there a lot of news yesterday or not? When I look back on Forex financial juice, I did see quite a lot of red pings and stuff like that. Not sure. Oh, okay. I thought you were trading. These two can go. That can go. What did we say in the edge finder for GJ? Did we get a bullish read? GJ was very bullish, yeah, but intervention stuff, man, I don't want to get chopped. Customer taken, yeah. Three trades buys on yen, and then all 3 times I got slapped by something to do with the intervention. I just don't fancy doing that again. And on UJ, yeah, we're still at that 162, 163 level, so I really don't want to be in long. I'd rather be positioned for a short. Anyways, look at today then. What's the score today? How's GU done? QE really quick. Oh wow. That's a 90 pip move. Oh, so how's life? How's the cat? How's the Billy? Yeah, we're in 4 minutes into London Open. I need to hurry up with this. So we're going to New York session there. That one can come down here. $30 pips there, 27 up. Yeah, about right. Look at gold really quick in it. I wanted to buy gold. That was a buy yesterday, I think. If you were to have just bought off of the midline here, you would have been good actually. That's 50, yeah. Do like 75 or 80? That'd have been how much at 2.5, 3, yeah? 2.8. That's not bad. $4.6, not bad. For a 2-hour trade, 4.6 are on gold. It's okay. Anyway, let's go back to M1. You know what? There actually was an opportunity here. You took all these low outs at London Open, first leg, second leg, and then literally come back and tag the demand zone right there. Nice. Nice. Let's do M2 because it'd be easy to catch a cleaner demand zone. If it's 13, would have done like 20, 25 safe. 10 or yeah, that's not bad. PP1 would have been around 100 pips. $4.6 probably held off the next candle. Yeah, something like that, I suppose. I don't know. Yeah. Wow, so there's a trade on gold, and there was a trade alive available on alive because I already messaged. And Bill is alive. Yeah, that's good. Billy. Oh, cute. Oh. Anyway, come to New York session. Fuck me, this is messy. New York was messy, bro. don't like New York. That volume's not amazing. Neither is that little section right here. I don't like that. And then it consolidated after anyway. Yep, makes sense. What about silver? Silver would have been very similar. Yeah. Took the low first leg, second leg, not enough of a pullback for an entry. New York first leg, second leg, straight pull back into an entry, then melt down just a little bit. That's fine. Yeah, that's like a nice short on gold. Gold could be playing out for a move down, but this volume so far is way too bullish for me to consider shorts yet. I need like a proper clean move down and then target at least Asia high for a bounce. If we can break through that level and target lower, then sure. Right, let's keep an eye on gold then on M2. Probably M1 is better and do it. Why not? And 2-minute chart on here, 2-minute chart on there, and right then. So you didn't trade yesterday. What about the day before? This was fantastic on USD card, right into the midline, fat rejection. First leg pullbacks. Well, I don't like calling that a leg. I think price is gonna keep going down, or is it gonna do a bounce and then come down, or is it gonna fake out and come straight back into the middle? I have no idea. DXY, what you thinking? We had bullish momentum, then obviously we had the CPI come out lower just as we tagged into that higher level on DXY. Listen to voice, man. What's this? Now I get it. Oh bloody hell. Oh god. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was funny, Sahad. So there was volume the whole time. London Open's cracked open. We've had fat move to the downside. We've not taken any. We've not taken any relevant high or anything. That's kind of equal highs right there, if you ask me. And you got that high right there also. It is a supply zone, but I don't like trading supply and demand zones anymore. The volumes come in validly. That did sweep a level. Yeah. USD CAD, I'm not comfortable on that yet. I think it's going to do a Asia low bounce and drop down further personally. But then that means EUG should continue higher, theoretically, unless it's CAD weakness alone. Gold is just kind of dripped all the way down. Just wee. I'd like a second leg, please. We're looking to short EU as well. I mean, I want to win it, but I'm a bit suspicious. Either we're gonna short it based on what's going on with GU, or it's gonna go higher, take that level, and then come down. But we're seeing EU GU divergence right now because GU's technically took Frankfurt high here, which is completely like this is valid, bro. Like this is valid, yeah. And then the volumes come in, and we took a structural high from like here. So that's really valid, and we've got a beautiful volume, slow traction, more volume on the downside. This is the zone to go short, but the reason I'm skeptical is euro is still going up. Otherwise I'd be shorting GU right now, but I don't know how euro is gone up and taken that high, because GU might just be lagging. GU might just be coming down to take these lows here and then move higher, according to M1. So I'm a bit patient on it. Yes, Alan, Assalamu alaikum. So obviously you've got that level there that was taken, you've got this zone here that was taken as well on London Open, you've got these lows here, and then you've got euro going to make higher lows and higher highs still. What are you saying, Alan? Good morning, bro. How's work?
Japan Chief Cabinet Secretary Kihara says the specifics of monetary policy should be left to the Bank of Japan. Or Alan, how you doing? Just hopped on the chart, see what go on in here. Not much else is going on, to be fair. That's about it. Yeah, that's about it from me.
Next EU 1 hour candle, I'll take the short. Yeah. So she got first leg, second leg. It did tag that there and then keep going down. Boy, I did not like the look of EU at all. We've done first leg, second leg here, but no volume either side. It's very even on USD CAD. Gold is just kind of dripped all the way down. There's not much going on yet. Why isn't silver? Is gold gonna make a second leg and go higher? I'm suspicious of gold. I'm suspicious of gold. Let's have a look here, sir. You're a fucking idiot, Kasme. Oh, fucking comedian, man. Oh my god. Wait, did he just say Islamic Republic of Japan? That's me, he's dumb. That's me, the guy's dumb. Yeah, it looks like it's coming now, bro. GU's like done the move and it's like, yeah, buddy, we're bloody moving in there. I just don't like how you had the second leg here. And then EU was like going up and up and up and up and up, and then it broke structure there, and I was like, oh god, that does not look good. But you know what? That's clean, man. That GU is clean. First leg, second leg, made equal lows, boom, whack through it. That was good. GU was good. EU was a faggot. Okay, gold's starting to push up now. Now, are we gonna get... Or is it just gonna be the opposite? Can you flip that? Can you flip it? Flip? Can you do flip? No. Basically, you go higher. It's one of them behind. It's always, well, obviously there's always one of them behind in it. It's normally EU. Normally it tends to be EU. G tends to be the dominant pair. But it's best to wait and like have clarity on both of them in it. Like if EU hack the supply as this did and started to come down, then this would have been completely like valid at that point in it, because it's just failed to break the high. It's probably doing a deeper second leg in it. On the EU, well, it didn't. It broke structure. That's a red flag. You know what I mean? That's a red flag, lad. I learned of another sect as well in Islam, Ibadi. I don't know if you guys have heard of Ibadi or not, but I've come across Ibadis. They mainly live in Oman. I think that's interesting. So I'm doing a bit of research on Ibadi belief. Nah, they've been around for a while, bro. They've been around for like 1,000 years or something like that. Ibadi sect. They're one of the biggest. They're the majority sect in Oman. And there's quite a lot of them as well, to be fair. I think some Sudani might also be because Sudan was kind of like under the authority of Oman or something like that. Do they allow Fawa? Is the same? Yeah, funny guy. Now they're a bit more like practical in, if that makes sense.
To Benjamin Netanyahu, we're speaking about someone who's the subject of an international criminal court. arrest warrant. And he's the subject of this arrest warrant for alleged crimes against humanity, for war crimes, and he's the architect of the genocide against Palestinians in Gaza as Israel's prime minister. These are not facts of my personal assessment, they are facts of public record. And I believe that when someone is charged with an international criminal court warrant, it's something that should be taken seriously, whether it's Benjamin Netanyahu or it's Vladimir Putin or whomever else. What I've also made clear is that my administration will follow all applicable local laws. That is our commitment. That is something that we will follow through on when it comes to an adherence to local law. When it comes to Benjamin Netanyahu, we're speaking about someone who's the subject of an international criminal court arrest warrant. And he's the subject
I
of
wonder how this is going to go then, because Trump was like, you're not going to do nothing to my boy Netanyahu, so I'm curious how this is going to... Anyway. The G is down. Let's say, for example, we did take that short, yeah? I'd have kept that at 45. I've got no problem with that's 60, 20.2. That's about 0.2. Would have been a relatively fast break even from entry to break even. It would have been 7 minutes, which is valid. Gold is cooked, is not following any technicals. It's technically took out a lower high and is reacting from there. Or if you go on M5, you can just see prices continuing to follow the bullish trend in it. You can see all of that. So there's a possibility it's going to continue to go higher, which is why I look at volume, momentum and structure. That to me does not look ideal. That does not look ideal to me. You know what I mean? You just I don't know. I don't like that. USD kind of not keen on that either. No volume either side. I prefer shorts though, if you're gonna follow what we currently have or had.
JP Morgan and others helped finance Japan's $550 billion US investment.
So it wasn't a Japan investment, then it is invested by the Americans back into the American economy. What the hell is that all about? That's made no sense. The markets are cooked. They don't make a bloody sense.
At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get ECB Bank Lending Survey.
Blah. The chat GPT's become really shit, man. Like really shite. So GU's already done all this move down here. Euro is still stuck in this level, not doing nothing or anything. Gold is still doing absolutely nothing. CAD has done the move up, but did not like that first leg, second leg. Look shit, man. Look, that looked horrendous. This looked a bit better. This was not good price action, to be fair. I stick around for what you lot thinking. Probably stick around for 20 minutes and then call it. I think Euro is going to do the waterfall in a bit to catch up. Maybe, but don't we have news? Don't we have? As tomorrow, no, Thursday, we got the employment, the CPI thing, rate decision for Euro. I thought it was today or tomorrow. So today is a clean day in terms of news. You know, the issue with M1 is that when you're trading it in this way, you need moves to happen like actively in it. You can't be like, oh, it's gonna lag and stuff like that, because if it don't and you're in M1, you're gonna struggle in it, because odds are you might take a L. It's better to have something that's faster moving or something like that, or a fast process that gives you a way to just kind of get out that trade ASAP in it. ASAP Rocky. How come you change your picture again, bro?
At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get ECB Bank Lending Survey.
Based on what I've seen, price want to take out 40 point. Yeah, I don't look that far. You don't drink, right? No, I don't. Hello, how do you stay sane without drinking? That's a problematic question there. by doing powder stuff instead. That's mad. Makes sense. You know, idiots. Anyway, Francis, good to have you, bro. Long time no see. Where you been, son? Where have you been, my son? It's alright, bro. I've not really been trading for a while, to be fair. Just been sat watching price action, calling it, and then not being able to get anything, so yeah.
Just under a minute remaining.
Very annoying. I think it's interesting, that's for sure.
So in the ECB survey, Eurozone banks tightened credit standards in the second quarter on geopolitical and energy price concerns. Corporate loan demand rose in the second quarter, but share of rejected loan applications increased. Housing loan demand fell sharply, and further drop is seen in the third quarter. Banks see further tightening in credit standards across all loan categories.
ChatGPT. ChatGPT. I need a winning trade, man. I've been on a 10 trade losing streak. Bear in mind 5 of them were mistakes, so technically it's a 5 trade losing streak, but still, account wise, yeah, 10 trades in a low loss. I was talking to Aaron about this the other day. How most people get angry and stuff like that, and I'm like, not bothered and stuff. Yeah, I think my 10 trades were. Let me have a look where they were from. It's from June. May and June, I took a lot of trades. May and June. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. There's 9 losing trades. That's according to this account anyway. I don't know, this account might have missed 1 or 2 trades or something in it. Yeah. This one's been pretty paid. I'm making this mad red chicken for dinner. This mad red chicken for dinner. Oh yeah. I'm guessing you're gonna show me. Have a look at this chicken. Masak masala. That looks delicious, bro. We're gonna do air fry it or what? Pan fry, yeah. Pan fry the bad boy. Yeah. So look, we're starting to pull back up now. Still haven't done much. How many pips have we done from London Open? So we're at 55, right? So there. Oh bollocks, that was wrong button. So we've done a 18 pip drop from the absolute high to the low. So we entered in here, we got as far down as 11.7 pips, so it didn't even meet the 15 to 18 range. Bare minimum is 15, so it didn't even meet that on this. Yeah, I'll stick around till 9:30, then I'm done. I'm gonna stick around for much longer than that. I don't really see much more happening, in all honesty. Hey, silver went higher. Let's see if we get a bounce from that level or not. A rejection off of that level even, sorry. Oh, wait a second. Nah, yen gave an entry, no TP, nothing, and they would have tagged break even anyway. Oh, I was looking good for a second, that was, man. I was looking good for a second. What are you boys doing anyway? Alan's on the way to work. What about you guys? Fahad, Francois. And you see, I don't think I'd want to. Let's do it from here then, just in case. I think if the war is continuing, which it seems to be like, yeah, likely, I think that we're gonna see dollar strength coming back into the market again, because people are gonna flock to dollar in it. No? What's Motric said? Nah, he's a fucking arsehole. Basil Smotrich. Someone fucking snipe that little faggot. European Central. There's no news in New York session either today. Nope, nothing. Yeah, that's alright for USD card. The gold is slowly. Yeah, what it's done is come took this higher. Come taking this level here out. What's silver doing? Is silver still chopping around or is that moving? Yo, silver's still not doing nothing, man. What? Look at that on silver. That's still not doing anything. Wowzer. Wowzer. Don't say nothing about that. Gold I can say about this high here. UJ USD CAD Pound New York. Oh, is he live right now? I can't be asked to watch him. He's a bit bland to watch, innit, man? He just sits there talking like this about trading and how you can be a success and the purpose and the way you need to behave to be a success, with a true lack of emotion or anything. There's no excitement, there's no interest or anything, just very flat conversation. That's how Will talks. And then even if he catches a TP, he'll be like, look at this trade, 150 million or 15 billion banked, and there's absolutely no emotions, like iRobot. Do you remember Will Smith's iRobot? That's me, he's proper like that, bro. That's me, he's proper like, he reminds me of iRobot. Proper, he sounded though, like he's alright, he's not bad. But he doesn't like connecting with the traders unless you've got a following. I'm not surprised. He's a better storyteller. Yeah, he is. Puts the analyst picture in so fresh. You two dirty bastards, guys. You two dirty fuckers. Seems to win all the time. He doesn't post his losses, he only posts his wins, bro. I've not seen him post a loss in ages. I know he's got a 70% win rate, yeah, with the 1 to 2. And I've not seen him post a loss in ages. Like, ages. So that don't make sense. Unless he's on an exceptional win streak, but that would be the case for like months then, bro. I just don't see that happening. If you're gonna post, you have to post equally in it, like wins / and losses. No successful trader sell courses. No time for that shit. Yeah. That's what I don't do, courses and stuff like that. And also, I don't want my name linked to some Lunju Punju, yeah, who doesn't know how to trade and stuff like that. And then they'll be like, oh, he's shit. Well, you're shit because you don't know what you're doing. I have pride in like what I do and stuff like that, innit? And a lot of these traders, they don't really give a shit, innit? They just have pride in the piggy bank. Which is another reason why I don't do it. I'll send you a course. You know what, yeah? You could actually make a course of all the failures that you made, yeah? And say, don't do these and you'll become successful. Just through pure failure. pure failure alone, yeah, man can. From pure failure alone, man can make courses. Oh shit. Now you've got the capability, bro. I believe in you. I wouldn't trust anyone else to do it, but for you, I believe that you can physically achieve that. Like 100%, you've got that locked, lad. Locked it in. Okay, so odds are we're not gonna do a 25 pip move up on euro. I really don't see that happening. That's kind of where we're looking for everything. Okay, I'll sell you fake Honda parts, you idiot. Hurrying course, use code Diwali for 50% off. What's the face? What the fuck in Diwali? QT does it. I only want to sell the course Bashy as you're on a losing streak. Bashy catching straights. Times are hard right now, cause times are hard right now. Markets aren't behaving. Market not marketing. Money not moneying. Analysis not analyzing. Let's look at the bond yields and stuff like that. The bond yield is down. VIX is down 6%. Indices are up off the back of that. Gas is up. Oil is in the 80s. Actually, I want to see on oil, like, was there any spike at any certain price? So we did spike up to 83. And then we did hit 90. Raw, okay, yeah, that's interesting. So we are seeing price fly up again. And then on Bitcoin, over the weekend, wasn't it? Yeah, we did see a bit of movement over the weekend. About Ethereum, yeah. I want to get into like Ethereum and Ethereum over Bitcoin, to be honest. Look at Euro GBP on the daily. Yeah, okay. Bollocks. Hurry up, man. Waiting for that 10k account. I need to change from eating UK fried chicken to buy one get one free Wagyu steak. I feel your life's rough. I used to be. Are they? It could be easier. It go be needles. Bashy gives a kiss. Mwah. That's so gay. If you're not comfortable with your sexuality, that's a problem that you have, my friend. You man are idiots, man.
According to Nikkei, TSMC is to raise chip making prices
I'm
up to
all
10%
for it,
from
you
2027.
but he ain't got enough meat. You're a prick. That's Indian, bro, so I don't know what he's packing. Probably packing curry powder. But she's secretly into goats. Bah. You know, Foodie, I'm gonna rip you in a second. You lot just wait. Okay, so Bashi Paki wants to interview. You're an idiot. Here's a maggot. Listen, Harun, I'll ban you. Bashi saying his dudes are still $3. That's why he's been losing. I'm going for Bashi gets mad. I'm gonna make one cry, yo prick. Bashi gonna beat his meat out of anger. He's ignoring us. Must be on trade mode. Nah, he's on grind. He's closing his dirty tabs. He's clearing his issues, his feet. Step going tab getting closed. Wala, Pakistan vs India tab. You lot are funny, man. Kasme. You lot are funny. Listen, I think I'm done, man. I don't really see much happening on the chart. It's a bit shit today, wasn't it? You get. Oh, look at that. Hey, GU gave a move. So obviously we had the initial move here. And then we had 1.6, 2.8, I think it was. Oh, this would have tagged break even, bro. Oh, man. Because break even would have happened here on this candle. And then it would have been like 1 or 2 pips worth to basically cover commission, which is why I want to switch to a 10k account and stuff like that, not a 100k account, because the commissions are so high. Even though it doesn't really matter, but for the track record, it just looks like I'm taking more losses than I am anything, even though half of them are supposed to be break evens. So yeah. And then obviously it would have been like what, 1 pip / 2 pips realistically. They would have tagged break even. Kasme bare annoying, man. Let's look at Euro's equivalent. Euro's equivalent. Look that over there. Because I don't think we have any higher. Yeah, we don't have any level higher than that. Let's go to Euro, yeah. So yeah, you could say that. Took a low out coming into this level here, 0.8, be like 0.2. They took a low coming into there. But that's this still, I just don't see the volume for this to do any decent kind of move. I'm already in the Euro shorts. I don't know how far it's gonna move, bro. Kasme, the price action is horrendous. Pound's moving, Euro might, but I don't know how far. And honestly, I can't be asked. What do you mean talking to himself? Obviously he's gonna be talking to himself, innit? Bashi clearing history as we speak. Go tab. Nothing else to do other than violate you. Always miss the move. You know what? Every day feels like a fart in the wind when it comes to trading. Either you catch it or you miss. I'm ready in EU shorts. Yeah, no, because this is trading is not easy, bro, but at the same time it's easy. If you got patience, bro, it's not hard at all, innit? If you're a nitbag, yeah, like a proper nitbag, like Alan, yeah, he is top tier nitbag. He nitties out, bro. If he can't like do gambling or anything risky, the guy starts having a panic attack. He'd be like, I fucking need a Red Bull. I want nitty out. I want to nitty out. You said Red Bull. What the hell, man? Need one right now. You're a proper drug addict, you are. You lot funny. So look at that euro, yeah, it did that massive, it did that 5-minute candle wick down and it pulled straight back up. Gosh me, what is this, man? What is this? Legit, can someone tell me what's going on? Bro, look at USD card. Oh my god, that is disgusting. Look at that. Look at, ooh, that is hideous. I heard Red Bull has a donkey urine in it for like the flavor. That's literally what I drink it for. Well done, you keep the monkeys in, donkeys in business. Alan's there giving him hand jobs for free, bro, because he wants his fix, and he's just like, bro, man runs around farms, yeah, doing jerking in it, just like, whoa. You know, Alan's wrist game is strong, man. Don't wrestle him, bro. Your hands are gonna get either bare sticky, bro, or he's gonna snap your wrist. Because Alan's out here doing madness. He's half Iranian, so he's gotta live up to his gay vibe, innit? Bashy's doing them from behind. I'm just sorry for the abuse as long as I get my Red Bulls. I don't mind this funny, bro. And look at this M15 doji, bro, on euro. Ooh. Euro is holding tough. YOLO boys, bad done, man. I don't really know what to say or what to do in it, you know. Looking like a true vegetarian. Okay. You ain't done any work for weeks, but you need rest. Don't have a Bashy, he's calling you lazy. I don't mind, bro. Oh, I'm lazy. What? Oh, what? The Grand Tour? They've brought it back. What the fucking hell is that, Sahad? Small death, big dreams. You're a really sweet guy, Potato. Lol. That is so funny. Send it to Alan, he'll enjoy that. He's gay enough to enjoy that. So no lads, I think we leave it there then, innit? Markets ain't really doing much. To be fair, as usual, in the usual bollocks. But I'll come back on New York and we see what go on. If you can catch something sound, if not, I just keep waiting, innit, man. Just need a clean trade, innit? No mistakes, and then start to come back out of this drawdown. And then depending how successful the edge is with this different entry model, I might be increasing risk and stuff as well, but I'll have to do live testing to figure it out, innit? Life is worth it or not and stuff like that, you know what I mean? It's one of them, innit? So yeah. Alright lads, take it easy, man. Hit like, all that stuff. See you later, boys. Assalamu alaikum. Shalom, shalom.